Alipasin muna. Tingin ko muna yung dalawang babies. Wow!
Hi! Welcome back to my channel today. Bababa na po kami because it's Easter. There's a surprise.
Are you ready? Teka lang, no, picturean ko muna kayong dalawa ni Nami dyan. Ayan, ayan. Picture ko kayong dalawa. Nam, tingin dito. Smile, smile. Smile. Isa pa. Tingin ka dito sa camera. What else? Ayan yan. Nam, tingin dito sa camera. Nam, tingin dito sa camera. Ay, wag mong ganun din. Wala. Ayan. Amayos ka lang, Nami. Ayan na. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan, yan, yan. Ate. Tingin dito sa cam. And smile, Nami. Show mo nga yung ganda dress mo. Teka, buksan natin ilaw. Yeah. Dito kayo. Upo kayo dito. Ayan. Ayan. Ay! Glag. Doon nga tayo sa inanomote. Ayan, bilis. Namo po. Gaya mo si ate. Gaya mo po ni ate. Dito ka. Pictorial muna. Bago bumaba. Ay, sino yung dress mo? Ayan. Ay, nalaglag. Lubog pa. Sa ibang tema si Kep. Ayan. 1. Nami, look at mommy. Smile. Yan. Say, Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Let's go down. Wow, marunong na bumaba. Wait mo si Nam. Sabay kayo.
Come on, Nami, go down. How hold your hand? Wow!
Happy Easter! Oh, there's your Easter basket. Go get your Easter basket. Where's Ate's? Kanina yung ate? Picture muna, picture. Doon kayo doon. Go inside muna kayo dyan.
Come on.
Ayan. Ayan. Picture, Nami. Look here. Happy Easter. Sabi, Happy Easter. Nam, ganito. Nam. Happy Easter. Go open your Easter basket na.
Hooray!
Oh no! Ayaw, Ayan na po. Sinira na po ng mga anak ko. Pipicturean pa kayo dito mamaya eh. Sige na, te. That's okay.
I think I want this one. Okay.
Yan yung sa'yo. Nami. You get the blue one. Open it. Dito kayo. Dito.
Wow. What is this? A Lego or something?
Yeah, check. You're gonna bring that in our trip.
Wow! It's lollipop.
There's the lollipop that you're looking for.
Wow! My gummy. And a toy. Ooh.
That's a Polly Pocket toy. Yeah, dadaling nyo yan sa para may toy kayo
Why
pa.
did you say Polly Pocket? I don't know Polly Pocket.
Called dyan Polly Pocket. Kasi, you can put it like this. Everything is inside. Everything is small. Like this.
I think I found something. This dog color changes at purple.
Yeah, it does.
Wow!
Ito kay Nami, yung ang duck, nagko-color change din.
Duck?
Yeah.
Duck is yours. Duck. Okay.
Oh, ito.
I think that's a swan.
Aswan. Ito kay ate.
Wow.
Oh, are you ready to go Easter egg hunting? Ganito. Ganito, oh. Get your basket. Get your basket, eh. Ah.
No, I'm going the other way around.
Ito yung sa'yo, te. You gotta look for bigger egg. Sa'yo yung bigger egg. Yung small egg kay Nami. Yung ganitong egg small kay Nami, ah. Yung big egg kay ate. Okay, go around.
I found a big egg.
Ah! Oh, nasa na kay Nami? Nasa kay Nam? Tignan mo, nasa sa'yo. Right there?
Ah!
Oh! Oh, put it in your basket. Teka. There! And where's the big egg? Where's the big egg? Ooh, dito. Dito, Nam. Teka lang, wait mo si Nami. Dito. O, nasa na yung small egg ni Nami, John? Nasa na? Ayun, nakita! Ay! Nalaglag. O, dito, doon. Go to ate.
I think there's some over here, there.
Where? Go check the pillows. Go check under the pillows. Is that a big or small? That's a small egg. That's for Nami. Go check the other pillow. There's a big one.
But mommy, this is big.
No, there's a bigger one. That's a small one, te.
Huh?
Yeah.
What's it for me? Wow!
Oh, check the other pillow.
Nam.
There's the big one.
Nami.
Dun.
I think that's something.
Oh, bigyan.
Bigyan kay ate yun. Ayun yung small. Hanap mo yung small. Look for the small one. Dito. Look for the small one. Hiding.
This is hiding.
Ay, di nakita. Ayun. Nasa plant. Ayun. Oh, look over there. Look over there. Right there. Up.
That's my egg.
Can you help Nami, te?
Oh, help. I think that's nothing else.
Meron.
Oh, you have to look. Asan na isa? Ayun. Ayun daw, nakita niya. Right there, te.
For me.
They say, take it to ate. Where?
Classroom.
Piggy goes to you. Okay.
Where's ates?
Nothing.
Oh, doon. Dito.
Bako.
Sa anuhan ng...
Sino tumae doon? Oh!
Baho daw tayo si mama. Totoo. Oh, dito. Diyan. Sa high chair o kaya sa plant.
Sa atcher ko? What is this?
Big. Asan na yung plant? Sa plant, Nami. Sa plant. Check my plant.
Here.
Check my plant.
Baby shark. Baby shark.
Dami mo na?
Yeah.
Wow! May last more. Doon sa lutuan. Nasaan na yung anuhan? Lagayan ng mga lutuan. Nasaan na yung lagayan ng mga pangluto? Yung lutuan.
Oh, check mark.
There you go. You found everything. Okay.
Can I open it now?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yummy!
Everything is just the same.
Okay, this is for you. I think I never saw that chocolate.
It's really good.
Every
Kumain na ako Kumain na ako kagabi. Ang sarap. Tinikman ko. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niyan, te. You gotta like it.
for you. For me.
Ah. Mm. Mm. Ganun. Oh, try mo.
Kakainin agad, hindi mo nakakain.
That's okay.
Oh, good.
You wanna try yours too?
Okay, son.
Hindi pa ganyan, te. Ayan. Ayan, magka-crack siya.
Ay, sarap.
Ang lambot. Malambot, no? You like it?
Let's open it.
You can't open it.
Pisain mo, ganun mo. Pisain mo. Yan.
Mahirap i-open yung kay Nami, ma. Akin na. Help kita.
Oh, sige, help mo. Pipila ko kaya.
Ay, good yung kay Nam. Picture muna. Tingin ka muna dito sa camera. Nami. Sarap ba, te?
Yeah.
Ganito, Nam. Kakrack mo ng ganun, no? Ayun, open mo. Kagat mo na lang dito.
Why did you do it the wrong one? This one is mine, remember?
Ay! Nako, madumihan ka. Mama, mapengi akong mapengi akong tissue. Huwag mo yan, no, Nam.
Why did you do it the wrong one? This is mine, right?
I forgot, anak. Ito. Get ka ni Mama ng tissue.
This is mine.
Ito naman kasi Hindi ko maano, ma.
It's mine. Where's mine?
Teka. You don't like it?
Konti lang.
Ako na.
Konti lang ang gusto ko.
No, this one's better. Try it. Dark chocolate kasi isa eh. Better.
Let's go.
Oh, open your toy. Open your toy.
Hindi ko mahirap. Hindi ko. Look at that egg. Over there. Look at that. I need an egg over there.
Oh yeah, there's a little egg. The chick is missing already.
Wow, ang ganda.
Shit.
Wow.
You have to be careful because it's really small. Baka mawala. That's why you have to be.
This is the house?
Yeah.
It can close and open?
Yeah. And then you can put everything inside. That's why it's called Polly Pocket.
Hey!
Open natin.
Yeah.
I think yours is, nasan na yung takip? I wanna read it. Ito yung mga accessories, te. Yours is a groom and glam poodle. Parang parlor yun sa'yo, te.
Wow! I can't open it.
Akin na.
Open it.
Akin na. Hindi, ito. Ito yung lock niyan eh.
What's the lock?
Ito yung lock. Tapos iyaano mo. Teka.
Now,
Ito, pag ganito.
What is this?
Oh.
No.
Ganyan. Oh, may pool.
Oh, this.
Lagay mo na yung mga accessories.
Oh, wait.
Put all the accessories inside. Dito yan sa labas.
The thing of the time? Mommy, I don't know what.
Ito yung water for pang color change. Ito, lalagyan mo na. Oh, ito na yung mga
Can
accessories.
you have a lollipop first?
I know, later.
Yeah.
Ayan na. Wow! Are you happy? What are you gonna say?
Mommy,
What are you gonna say?
thank you for this fun time of Easter year and
Picturean ko kayo dyan.
and
Mag-pictorial muna kayo dyan. And what else?
tutorial.
Yeah. Teka lang, tatanggalin natin yung mga magulo-gulo. Tapos pipicturean ko kayo dyan, ha. Wow, ang ganda. Nami ka. Look at mommy. O, show nyo muna yung toy nyo.
Here's my
O, ganyan.
toy. Here's a toy Polly Pocket is the
Oh, you put everything inside first.
This is a poly pack.
Ay, may frog. Yung kay Nami. Nasa garden naman yung kay Nam.
Hi. Hi, everyone.
Teka.
So,
Okay, you say bye na.
bye.
Say bye.
Bye, everyone. I hope you enjoy for our fun adventure of the Easter.
Fun adventure ka po dyan. Bye, bye ka na, Nami.
Bye.
Mag-wave ka, wave ka ganito.